Welcome to Banias, a beautiful nature reserve at the foot of Mt Hermon, where the Banias, also known as the Hermon stream, starts to flow. The name Banias comes from the Greek deity Pan that was once worshipped here. The Greek mythology describes him as a half-human, half-goat that used to roam the forest while playing the shepherd's flute. At some point, other shrines were added and a large Roman city developed named Caesarea Philippi. The city is mentioned in the Gospels as the site where Peter confessed that Jesus is the Christ, and Jesus declared, "Upon this rock I will build my church." The spring emerges from below the temple's area. Its waters pass through steep canyons and amazing waterfalls until reaching the Jordan River. A suspended trail was installed to enjoy this beautiful sight.